Meet Jake, a sales rep overwhelmed by manual research. Each morning, he faces a daunting task, gathering information from scratch. His frustration grows as he realizes he spends more time researching than selling. Meanwhile, Sarah, another sales rep, starts her day energized. Her pipeline provides comprehensive insights instantly. She confidently starts the day, ready to engage with prospects, while Jake struggles with his manual process. Sarah's productivity soars with automation. Her pipeline delivers decision makers, company updates, sales note highlighting, where their solution fits, and conversation starters effortlessly. This efficiency boosts her confidence, allowing her to focus on what truly matters: outreach, selling, and closing deals. Jake, on the other hand, is stuck in a cycle of endless research. His stress mounts as he realizes the inefficiency of his methods. The contrast between his and Sarah's workflows becomes glaringly apparent. During lunch, Jake and Sarah discuss their workflows. Jake is shocked to learn about Sarah's automated research setup. The revelation hits him hard, and he begins to see the potential for his own success. Inspired by Sarah's experience, Jake decides to take action. He contacts his manager, determined to implement automation. This decision marks the beginning of a transformative journey for him. The next morning, Jake is amazed to find his pipeline filled with detailed insights. Decision makers, pain points, sales note highlighting, where their solution fits, and conversation starters are all there. His efficiency skyrockets as he focuses on selling, not researching. Jake's transformation is complete. With automated insights, he embraces a new era of productivity. By automating research, he can finally concentrate on outreach, selling, closing deals, and achieving success.
If you're keen to automate sales research for your team, request a sample of the sales notes your sales team will receive before outreach. Put your sales research on autopilot. Visit www.imarketing-consulting.eu to request your sample.